But in the West today, we see a free world that has achieved a level of failure unprecedented in all human history.
Somebody's soul's been exposed in this house of blues. The real emperor without clothes has much to lose. Road weary troubadour, maybe I'm an ambassador. Not to be confused with some spook or bastard by the door. Before I got paid by the word, now it's deferred. New Dust Bowl poet, y'all ain't heard it, now you heard. Showed y'all I ain't tired, damn sure ain't quiet. Plenty of things to teach about, I'm reaching to the choir. Damn, my man, one at a time, this beat's fire. Face told me, Brent, you be bombing the place. To the bob, to the bob, the bob, bob is back, bobbing and weaving and bobbing and spilling like Womack, Marley and Dylan. Keep songs front page of your life, this is you. Invasion of your mental vacation and your crew. This ain't brand new just because y'all ain't never knew. I spit politics on that wall where the people get screwed. Tear down that wall. Mr. Somebody, heed the call. Mr. Somebody, heed the call. Mr. Somebody. Hip-hop supporting non-stop sweatshops so you can retail your ass off without fail. Then some you get set back, blaming immigration exploitation. Would you like information by yelling wetbacks? Somebody acting forever 21 can't hide, can't cry, can't run, can't blame it on the crack or fight back without a passport. Millennium Gestapo, border control, the new contact sport. Y'all call them immigrants and take them to court. But look at your own hood and your own lack of support. Some of these DJs have no idea what they're playing. Some of these rhymers don't realize what the hell they're saying. So I let them chase the cash, honey, without a plan. Forget Johnny was the man in black, well, I'm the black and man. This is modern day slavery and part of the plan. With all due respect, sir, tear down that wall, man. Sir, tear down that wall. Mr. Somebody, heed the call. Mr. Somebody, heed the call. Mr. Somebody, heed the call. Understand these pressures in this so-called recession. For the black, brown woman and man, it's depression. Roster the stricken, Bernie Madoff with the money. Now the hidden hand is bitten, and now it ain't funny. I beg your pardon, who saving you? Call them laborers. You walk on by and never say hi, consider them neighbors. Got the nerve to live in Texas, Arizona, Cali, and not know, even missing a clue in New Mexico. Just the brown brothers and sisters of what they done did. This side of the earth, they built pyramids. My passion comes from what I know and who I am. I refuse to lose or to be confused by this new scam. Scarred by sarcasm, Uncle Sam's racist orgasm was just a spasm. Scared of enthusiasm of the black and brown planet. The jealous say, damn it, stupid ass wall, you can't stop us all. Mr. Somebody, tear down that wall.